Alright, so if you have a washing machine that you see the error E03, that's usually to do with the drain, the pump, the outlet. And I removed the filter just now from the washing machine here. I found a whole lot of this inside, so the pump couldn't do its work. Clearly couldn't let the water out because the filter is blocked, and you can see all sorts of bits in there. So some collection of lint, hairband, string, clips from clothes. So yeah, so you have to be careful and always keep an eye on the pump, okay, and the filter as well. Just make sure. Okay, so that's the pump here. It rotates, and the filter ensures that the large bits get collected in there, so you can always, so it fits like that. Just show you here, fits up like that. And then you see, just open that, remove the cap. And this is a candy washer dryer. Okay, you can see the pump in there again. Right, that's it. So that's the error E03, and that's to do with the drainage. The pump seems to be in good condition, but I'll check it. If I need to open the back panel and the top cover, I'll do that and then change the pump if necessary. Alright, an update on the current status. I put it to do a rapid 14 minute, and so far everything seems to be running fine. So when I cleared the filter, it seems like it worked. Alright, so that's the model if you want to know, and that's a washer dryer. Right. And it's from Candy as well.